Good morning. Ito na nga. Kumana na. Happy Easter Sunday.
Tonight, it's hard to stay on my own. I feel like taking a walk. I can't stand the tricks that you play. I'll be good child. You first took a seat by me. You looked at me as you were a tree. And suddenly I made up my mind.
Easter Sunday. Mga Katil Riders. Ingat palagi.
I knew it's I'm a lover when I'm leaving, touching to some kind of girl. I'm the perfect type for one night. Yeah, suffocate quick, doesn't make me a bitch. I don't really care. No, what it was sweet, really swept me on my feet. But I start to choke when you say let's elope. Yeah, suffocate quick, doesn't make me a bitch. I don't really care. No, no, no. Don't push me so hard.
Good morning. Ito na nga. Kumana na. Happy Easter Sunday. Boss Alan. Mamsar. Sarap, payapa. So, parang third week ng Ramadan. 1 week na lang, next week, Eid na. At samantalahin ang natitirang lamig ng UAE. Tapos ito, kalas, purtang init na. Okay, happy Easter Sunday mga Katil Riders. Ingat palagi.